Oh hey everybody, and welcome back. As you can see, Project DREED is coming along. Got a lot done to it, got more to come. So I guess we'll go over this and I'll show you what I've done to it so far, and then we'll get into putting some accessories on this cage. Alright, so as you can see from the previous videos, I've already got the bumper put on. We got the front suspension all redone. Got all the control arms, spring, everything's finished, repainted, looking good. Brand new axles in the front. Got the winch up there, still gotta get that in. Starting to get a lot of the stuff put back in, the radiator. The front differential's all rebuilt. Got the heavy duty aluminum cage in it. And you see we got the frame all de-rusted, clean backed up. All new U-joints in the drive shaft. I mean, it's come a long way. We got sitting on its new wheels and tires. So, and then come back here to the rear. So I'm actually working on this nightmare. Yeah, I got a stuck CV shaft, so I'm working on this, trying the ratchet strap trick. I'm doing everything, but I gotta take a break from this from right now, so we're gonna do something else. But motor's in. It's coming along. Let's show you this side. That suspension. Like I said, frame's all cleaned up. I mean, it's coming along. It's definitely, I'm taking my time, but you know, it's getting there. I'm gonna come over here and show you all the suspension a little better. There we go. Nice. And you can see up there, we got the 2-inch lift brackets for the rear. And of course we got the 2-inch spacers up here. So we got the 2-inch lift on it. So yeah, it's just coming along. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to put the windshield on, the roof, and the rear panel. Figured I need to take a break from that, so I want to do something kind of easy. So I'll show you all how to put the Polaris cage accessories on. Alright, so let's start off at the back here. So I've got the Polaris rear panel with window. This is the soft back, which is the same that I have on my other Ranger. So, this is pretty much it. That's the instructions. They suck. They really don't say anything. So this is the soft back. Part number is 287-7853-067. It's pretty straightforward and easy. So we're going to open it up here. Okay. Just like that. And there it is. Okay. So, all you gotta do, open up your Velcros here. Yeah. There we go. All right. And you're just gonna take it, and we're gonna put it up over the cage. Come on. Okay. And just kind of loosely hang it. Like so. Now, on the bottom here, there's double-sided Velcro. This is for the bottom, so fold this piece off. Now, what you want to do, move this up out of your way for a second. Take your double-sided Velcro here, and this is going to go right along here. Okay? We're just going to bring it across, make sure it looks fairly straight. And push it down. Now that we got the Velcro on, we'll bring this guy back down. Okay. And now you're just gonna pretty much level it out. So I take the side Velcros here and just kind of attach it to their side ones. Okay, and just everything's gonna be kind of loose right now. Okay, because the plan is to get this squared off. Level this off at the bottom here. Like that. And these guys here just come down. Just kind of wrap this around like that. And attach them. There you go. Next is going to be the Polaris lock and ride roof. So you just pretty much open up. Try to open these up. Sometimes they stay open. Yeah. Sometimes they don't. Usually the ones on the side don't like to stay open because they hit the side, but this guy pretty much this goes up here. Okay. And then on the rear panel, the two cutouts in the straps are for the clamps. Open these guys up. There we go, roof's on. I'll just simply lock them down. Bam, lock and ride roof on. Next, half window. Now we got the half window. Let's get this open. This got on Fix My Toys, and it was 40 bucks. Brand new Polaris half windshield. There it is, brand new, still in the package. Okay, so we got it out. So what I like to do, I don't like to take all the plastic off. Just get it off the sides here. And you gotta put your clamps on, okay? Clamps have all gotta go on. Comes with the bolts, those screws. They're T25s. And basically, and make sure when you put your clamps on that you put them all in the same direction. Just makes it easier for taking it on and off. But put your bolts in, and don't tighten these all the way up yet. So you're just going to want to get them started and you know, oop, wrong one. You don't want to lock them down because you want to get it on the cage first. That way you can adjust, because these adjust. You can adjust it to your bars and then be able to, at that point, tighten these down. So get the 4 of these on all 4 corners, and then we're off to the races. Alright, so now that we got the 4 clamps on, you're going to want to get your rubber buffer piece here. Now the bottom of the windshield, it's got 2 beveled edges. One is a 90, one's a 45. The 45 is the top, the 90 is the bottom. The other thing is, generally, when Polaris puts this sticker on, it's facing the right way. So that's the top, that's the bottom, but the 45 goes to the top. So down here, again, I don't like pulling all this off. That way I don't run the chance of scratching it or doing any damage, but just here in the middle, you're going to take this guy and just slide it on in the middle here. And lay your clamps over your bar. Now these clamps, because they're brand new, they tend to be a little stiff, but they go on. Voila, there we go. Now we can go through and tighten up our Allens, like so. But yeah, pushing here in the middle helps because it does bow. It will have a bow to it once it's in. So, and then the fun part, whee! And there we have it, everybody. We've got our cab system on. We've got our half windshield lock and ride, our lock and ride roof. I like this one because it's got the nice overhang here, and you can mount lights if you want up on the top, but it's got the nice overhang so it gets the water away from you. And then it's got the nice overhang here in the back. You can see how far it overhangs the rear. So you got nice ventilation coming out, no water going in, and same thing, it comes on the drip sides. And these are actually designed to work. See how it's got the cutout here? This roof is designed to work with the doors. So the door actually seals up here, but, and then there's our rear panel. Not too bad. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just a random video of putting some of the cab accessories on. I know it's not anything too in-depth or technical, but I was sick and tired of working on that. I wanted to put some fun stuff on, so I figured I'd make a video. So there you go. That's how to put the lock and ride accessories on your round bar 570. So actually any mid-size with the round bar. So whether it's the 400, 500, 570, or the 800, as long as it's a round bar mid-size, all these accessories will work for yours. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Stick around for my next video, and I appreciate all the support, all the love. You guys are really helping me build my channel, and I just wanted to say thank you. It really means a lot of all the support that everybody's doing for me. So again, hope you all enjoyed it. Go over to Facebook if you want. I've got the Facebook page, Polaris Garage on Facebook. Join there. I've got a little more content that I put there that I don't make a full video on, so you can see more stuff, like just little snippets of all this. So yeah, that's it. So until next time, I'll see y'all here at Polaris Garage.